Follow this guide to install the super kilometer filter on your Audi A3 2023. This module can be replaced by this dummy plug if you want, so it's completely deactivated and indetectable. Hold the steering wheel toward you. Remove the fascias. Then remove a screw here. Now we can remove the side panel. Remove the steering column shroud upper panel. Remove the cluster panel. Then press down on the latch and pull the cluster out. Connect the device to the cable and then plug it back into its original cluster connector. Change modes via smartphone app or press the OK button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. The kilometers are stopped at 100% in mode 1. Only 20% of the actual mileage is recorded in mode 2. Only 30% in mode 3. And the device is switched off in mode 4. Put all the parts back. The speedometer and all other assistance systems work flawlessly.